The biggest reason your manifestations feel slow is because you believe they're supposed to be slow. Read that again. Most people don't have a manifestation problem. They have a belief problem. You were taught that everything takes time, that there's always a delay, that you must wait, that one day it will come. But think deeper.
When your package is delayed, that's bad. When your internet lags, that's bad. When money is delayed, stressful. When success is delayed, frustrating. So why are you attaching the word delay to your dream life? You've unknowingly linked your desires with struggle, distance, and waiting. That energy matters. Every belief emits a signal. If deep down you believe, it takes time. It never comes fast. I just have to be patient. Then what are you broadcasting? Not certainty, not power, not possession. You're broadcasting absence, and absence creates more absence. This is why some people shift fast. New money, new opportunities, new relationships, because they don't worship delay. They move like it's already done. Here's where most people lose. They keep checking reality. Still no text. Still no money. Still no results. Still nothing changed. And every time they check, they confirm lack. That's dangerous, because when you stare at the outside world for proof, you disconnect from the inner world that creates it. You're digging up the seed every day, asking why it hasn't grown. Nothing grows like that.
Manifestation is not waiting for life to choose you. It's choosing yourself first. Be the successful version now. Think like that winner version of you now. Move like it already belongs to you now. Because reality responds to identity. The world mirrors who you are being, not what you are begging for. That's why two people can want the same thing. One gets it quickly. One waits for years. Different identity, different signal. Listen carefully. There is no delay. There is only alignment or contradiction. There is only belief or doubt. There is only embodiment or chasing. The moment your inner world matches the life you want, things move. Sometimes instantly, sometimes through opportunities, sometimes through doors you never expected. But it moves. Stop asking, when is it coming? Ask, who must I become for it to feel natural? Because the second it feels natural, reality has no reason to withhold it. You're not waiting on life. Life is waiting on you.